Hello, everyone. My name is Bilal from the process mining team, and welcome. This is a series where we look into very specific process mining use cases. These use cases are all real-world examples, by the way, and they came from you all, our customers. Whenever useful examples like this are brought to our attention, I'm going to be sharing those here in this series, and we'll talk about why these use cases were even brought up to begin with, as well as how we achieved kind of the very pointed analysis, this pointed analysis using ServiceNow's process mining. So without further ado, today's use case, as you may have seen in the title, is day shift versus night shift analysis. So we were working with a customer and they were mining their service bus processes and they wanted to better understand their incident management. And they had a really interesting hypothesis. They suspected that their night shift, a very different process to their day shift, right? And we're talking triage, dispatching, overall assignment and resolution of those incidents, but they didn't know how to evaluate this on their project, right? In their process mine. So I felt this was a really good example to share because we have some filtering on a process mine that is perfect for this use case. And if we scroll down to our process mining, in our process map, we have this advanced filters section. And we have a conditions filter, and condition filters are really, really useful for evaluating things or fields that are relatively static during an incident's life cycle, in this case, incident, right? And this is a great use case for that because we can always look at the opened on field or the created on field, right? Because we're looking at day shift versus night shift. So in order to evaluate this, again, this is just a process mine of 40,000 records. I go down to our advanced filters. I click on conditions, and I'm going to specify opened. I'm going to use the trend operator, and I'm going to say on or before time 6 a.m. So now this is going to show me all of the incidents that were open before 6 a.m. on any given day, or opened trend on or after 6 p.m., right? So now this is going to show me all of the incidents that were opened before 6 a.m. or after 6 p.m. on any given day, which gives me the complete night shift, right? So 6 o'clock to midnight, and then midnight to 6 a.m. And we'll hit apply here. This map will run, and as soon as it's done running, you can open it from your clock here, your scheduled tasks in the bar on the right-hand side. And what I would do is I would save this as a new filter set and specify what this is. Night shift, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. So out of our 40,000, 22,000 of them were night shift. You can see I ran the exact same filter, but the inverse for the day shift. And you can see my 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. incidents. And we can do our analysis from here. Now, you can further drill down into these and say, let's say I only want to look at the self-service day shift incidents. That task is going to run in the background. And once it's done, you can save that as a filter set for future analysis. So that is how you achieve this sort of time-based analysis using our condition filters.